I was not expecting to find a complete Lancia sitting here just chilling out. You know, going through a junkyard in Wisconsin, there are things that you'd be surprised about, but I was not expecting to find a complete Lancia, apologize, sitting here just chilling out. So yeah, here we were walking down the aisle, and I'm like, ooh, my God, that doesn't look like anything American. And it's not. We don't know what model it is because we're really still here, but we're going to research when we get back. The engine is under there. I took pictures of it when my friend was here, and I'll post pictures of it at the end. The engine's there except for the head's missing. Interior looks to be mostly there. And the sad thing is, this car was a collector car. Like, I'll show you. It has Wisconsin collector's license plates on it, and it's been here so long that they're, chalking away. But this car was a collector car and sent to the junkyard. The yard owner doesn't know why. It's been here that long, but it's complete. The interior is there. It's a little 4-speed or something like that. But a really rare, unique car. And we're going to see what it is. And when I find out, I will post about it at the end with the pictures we took. Okay, so we did discover that this is a 65 through early 70s Lancia Fulvia. And I guess a handful of them were imported to the US, and this is one of them. Not sure why it ended up at the junkyard, but it will be saved here before the junkyard crushes out the rest of the projects. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video on the Lancia. It's a really neat car. I mean, when we were walking through the yard, me and my two friends, it was definitely a surprise to come across that in a yard full of 99%, I'd say, American cars. I mean, of course, there's some modern, imports, but nothing vintage and cool like that. It is for sale. I mean, otherwise, I don't know what's going to happen to it. But the information to the yard is in the description. As of June 2022, it is available. But I'll post in the description if it's sold. So keep watching there. And don't forget that I post every Monday a new video. Hope you're enjoying them. And more coming up here in the near future. Stay safe until then.